Okay, so thought I'd do a quick video on these ex-shox. They're the pads that go at the end of the limbs, in between the limb and the string. Instructions kind of give a little bit to be desired. Ensure the brace height is correct off the reds. Remove the adhesive backing on the back of the ex-shox. I've also heard these called brake pads. Then while you have that removed, and you put your foot in the stirrup and then lightly pull back on the string, and then you're supposed to slide it over. I thought that was kind of complicated, so I just took my cocker and I have it so it's pulled up slightly. It seems to work a lot easier. That way at least I have one hand to work with and don't have to worry about having a third and a fourth one. See if I can get this to focus. Then slide the rubber down the string until it touches the limb. Should be approximately 1 5/8 inches. So I went ahead and measured out, stuck a piece of tape down there. Those are at just about 1 inch, just over 1.5 inches. So when I do that, I slide it down, it seems to button up right in that same spot. So I'll remove those pieces of tape and try to do this. If I can have somebody film it while I do it, I will, but if not, it's alright. So, remove the sticky stuff. I'm gonna line up the best I can on this string. Just kind of follow it down. And then give her a nice little press. And then I'll go do the other side, which I've already measured that out so it comes across. Hardest part of the job here is peeling these off. That's wanting to go crooked. I think we're pretty straight there. I hope. Looks like it. So I guess now we let this down and should be resting on that pretty good. So there we have it. See if I can get it to focus a little bit.
If you hold it still, it'll make it easier.
So there we have it. It's on there. It says not to shoot it for I think 24 hours, which won't be a problem. I gotta do that thing called work. But anyways, might have could have been a little straighter, I don't know. Seems like a pretty easy job. Thanks for watching.